Welcome back to eCreativeAid. Inflamed, bleeding gum tissue can be the result of poor oral hygiene. Removal of plaque by brushing and flossing daily will enable gums to regain health. However, there are other factors that increase your risk of developing such infections, such as tobacco use, hormonal changes, stress, medications, poor nutrition, diabetes, pregnancy, and genetics. So let's take a look at the signs that indicate that you may have infected gums. So first of all, gums that are swollen, tender, or bleeding, receding gums, pus coming from the gums, chronic bad breath, loose teeth, and a noticeable change in the way your teeth fit together when you bite. Now here's the home remedy. First of all, heat half a cup of water until warm. Add 1 teaspoon of salt to the water. 1 teaspoon of 3% hydrogen peroxide. You can find hydrogen peroxide at the pharmacy or any drugstore. Then swish the solution for 15 to 30 seconds and do not swallow. Spit it out, then rinse your mouth with water. Repeat this 4 times daily. You should also start taking 500 milligrams vitamin C tablets 3 times daily. And this is it. Thank you for watching, and if you liked the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos.